Hello and welcome. You've demonstrated an interest in learning how YouTube Live works. The question is, if you have a live broadcast, how do you get people to see it? Now, you may already recognize that having someone watch your live stream while also seeing all of the other videos that are going to be available suits the platform well, but may or may not suit your business or organization well. So it's necessary to look at a number of tools that you have at your disposal within YouTube as well as outside of YouTube to get the word out about your live stream. And so in this course, we will go inside of your Creator Studio and we will look at some of those tools that you have available to you so that you will be able to make the most of them and get the maximum number of people watching your live stream. So we'll look at your channel customization tools. We'll also show you how to provide an easy to use subscribe link. We'll also take a look at some of the success factors in making your live stream visible and attractive for others to click on. And we'll take a look at some of the enhancement tools that you can do with your video that will help you to make it more usable and widespread. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.